Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word starting. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Starting tomorrow, we will be implementing a new policy in the office. Starting is a verb used to indicate the beginning of an action or process, typically at a specific point in time or from a particular point. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.